Okay, well, thank you guys for coming today. I know it's like hard to like have spare time and come do this, but we appreciate it. Okay, so we're doing on how to change a tire, all right? And I'm Patricia.
I'm Guillermo.
I'm Mackenzie.
All right, so have any of you guys ever had a flat tire before?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and what did you guys do?
Called
Changed
somebody
it.
come change it.
You changed
Changed
it?
it myself.
Nice.
Someone came and changed it for
Okay.
Someone that was
I actually totally blew the tire, so I couldn't. I had to just change it for a little bit and then get a new one. So.
Oh, okay. Dang, that's
What
rough.
about you, sir?
And changing a tire can be expensive, right?
There.
Yeah, so it's good
Yeah.
to know how to change a tire by yourself. All right, so step one, you ever get a flat tire, find a flat surface, stable place, you know, or at least it can be like even on all sides. And then next thing you want to do is turn on your hazard lights, so in case you're ever on like the freeway or a busy road, people will know.
The third step is to make sure that it's on park. Once that is there, apply the parking brake. Next step is to have an object to place behind the wheel so that it doesn't roll back. And next step is to actually take out the jack and place it under the frame. Make sure it's underneath metal so that it doesn't slip.
All of you guys know where like the frame will be Okay.
Step 6 is to remove the hub and loosen the lug nuts. 7, raise the jack until it's supporting but not lifting the car. Very important. And step 8 is pump or crank the jack to lift the tire off the ground. Get some of the muscle.
Yeah. So the next step is going to be to remove the lug nuts the rest of the way. Next, you're going to want to remove the tire. You can put the flat tire under the car just in case, you know, your jack was to slip or something if it's not on like a flat surface. But if it is on a flat surface, then you shouldn't really have that problem. And then step 11, put on the spare tire. I don't know what happened to the picture, but I'm sure you guys know what that would look like.
When putting on the lug nuts, you start at one point and you make sure you're doing a star pattern, straight across and whatnot. The next step is to lower the car, and then you tighten it as much as you can.
Step 14 is lower the car to the ground fully and tighten the rest of the lug nuts, then remove the jack. 15 is put the old tire in your trunk and take it to a mechanic, get an estimate on the cost. If it's not repairable, they can dispose of it properly.
Okay, so now we're going to show you a video that kind of just like reiterates everything.
How to change a flat iron tire like a bar. A flat iron.
Sorry, you dropped your
Sorry.
Thanks, B.
Okay, now it doesn't have to go. Dude, what is going on? Oh. Sorry, guys.
Alright.
No. Why? Is that your item? That's your actual brother? Oh, they said blood. No. Kind of, I guess.
Should I just look it up and put it?
Yeah, probably.
You try to.
Yeah,
Probably
What, he
didn't
left or
put the
what?
link on right, might have been
Why did he leave?
PowerPoint. It's tricky.
It's all just a picture.
No, it was kind of.
It's supposed to be
I
a
think-
link, I know what you were trying to do.
Yeah, see how it's highlighted?
Yeah, it does.
And I just did it earlier, see, it started acting up. I didn't want it to be good.
Let's just go change the tire in the car. Like, my tires don't need to be changed. And they have like a special tool, so it is, oh.
Is that right?
On the internet. But we are also business owners. And with Wix looking good is pretty much guaranteed.
It's not playing.
Yeah, it's kind of just not
So
showing.
welcome to Fix the Sound channel.
Really?
Today I'm
Definitely.
Maybe unplug it and then put it back in.
retire in the most
Wait.
efficient and secured way. Bear with me.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, I don't think that's right.
Oh, there you go.
Yay.
The first step to do is we're going to put our flashers on because we want to be seen by everyone on the road. Next, we're going to make sure that our car is on park position. Then we're going to lift our handbrake because we do not want the car to move while we're changing the tire. It's very, very important. And now we're going to go to our trunk and we're going to remove the cover. Once I've removed the cover, you can see over here the instructions are written on how to change and remove your flat tire from the trunk. Next, we're going to make sure that our tire is in good condition before we remove our flat tire. And now, let's get started. We're going to start by removing here and unscrewing here. And now, we're going to remove our tire. As you see in the bottom, you can see there's our jack right here, and that's the other part to unscrew our bolts. So the first thing to do, we're going to use this to remove the cover. There you go. And then, before we install our jack, we're going to make sure to untighten a bit our screws. That's it. Just enough so when we jack the car, we won't have to force to remove the screws. Okay guys, that's our next step. We're gonna align our jack with the line over here, as you see the triangle right there. And we're gonna lift it just a bit till it gets into position. There you go. And now, we're gonna lift the car all the way up to be able to remove the tire. So now we're gonna continue by lifting the car with our jack. And there you go guys, as you see over here, I've lifted the tire. Approximately, I have like almost half an inch space between the tire and the floor. And that's exactly what we need to be able to remove the tire securely. And the next step is going to be to remove the screws. And you're going to see now it's very easy because I've already untightened them before. So now it's very simple to remove them. And there you go guys. All what we need to do is to pull out. And all what's left to do is to bring our spare tire and we're gonna align it like this. We're gonna put our first nut, then we're gonna put the second, almost done. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna tighten them a bit. Just a bit. Just enough so the tire won't come off once we put the car down. And now what's left to do is to put down our jack. Okay guys, it's very important, once you remove the jack, do not forget to tighten your screws. This is very important, and you must not forget to tighten your screws to the maximum possible. There you go. And now we are ready to hit the road. But before, don't forget to respect what's written on your tire, because this is only a spare tire. It's not like a regular tire. Make sure you respect the speed limit that is written on your tire, because it's very important for your safety. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe under Fix It Sound in One Word, and we will see you next time.
Okay, so that is pretty much it. Does anyone have any questions? No? Okay, so we have a quick little activity. So what we have is a bunch of pictures of like the steps. And so whoever can put them in order first gets a little prize. If you guys need any help,
You
so
aren't gonna get any, just kidding.
if you're not sure, you have to double check them.
One you're trying to go?
That's what I'm saying.
Be a little different. They're not as detailed. I can tell you that you're on a good start. You're on a good start.
Oh, wow.
Good start.
Hey, don't look through the paper. Cheater.
I'm trying to make room. I'm trying to squeeze in. This guy's right on the whole line.
There's a jack one. Got it. There we go. There's this
Should I tell them
one.
their second one is different?
You have it?
Your second one's wrong.
Sounds good. Check this out.
It's too big.
Is that it? Yeah, is that it?
No.
What about mine?
Well, do I have it?
Okay, this one needs to be different. I'll go somewhere else. Here, let me see them.
Let's check.
Do you have it over to check? There we go.
Oh, the triangle.
This one needs to be moved somewhere.
This
Oh, right.
This is me.
What's this?
You can't go get him, you have to wait.
Ding,
He was
ding,
cheating.
ding.
No, you didn't check ours.
Mine?
So Bryce didn't get it. You didn't check ours.
Eric's with his
Yours is right.
Yes, yes.
If yours is like his, it's right.
Then yeah, we got it. Me and Mario got it.
Mine was checked.
No, I didn't. I didn't call
Hey,
you.
we don't need to
Yeah,
possess
it's,
it. It's okay, you
We
know,
got
I got it.
good job, everybody. You all got it.
Let's not get it.
No prize?
You can't just give everyone.
Yes, there is.
If it's valid for each
I'm putting them in order.
Alright, just for all of you guys participating.
Starbucks gift card.
No.
They're candy bracelets.
You can. I guess so.
I'm between now and
You love it.
Look, you can wear it to your next grade.
but
And eat them at the same time.
Yeah.
So for the most part, you guys think you guys could maybe change the tire on your own now?
I
Maybe.
believe I can.
I wouldn't want to.
I have before.
Well, thank you guys for coming to our presentation.
It was all right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.